I'm sitting here crying. It's so cute because I don't know, I got such cute comments and messages since I posted my Substack. I posted a Substack, my second one actually. The first one I wrote not this week but the week before, and the second one I posted on Sunday, and the comments are so cute. It just makes me feel so seen. I was just like getting so emotional, and I thought I should tell you that every single message you sent me I read, and it matters to me so much. So if you're watching, please don't just watch, please like engage in some way, because it keeps me going, honestly. Hello, welcome back to the vlog. I hope you're doing really well. I just realized I didn't introduce the vlog yet, so I thought I'd do that very quickly. I'm ready, as you can see. Let me show you the fit. This is the fit. The top is from Mango, and the pants are from this brand called the Rogue Force. They're like an Indian brand. And this is the makeup I'm wearing. We're going to a Lancome event. It's for the Idol perfume, so I wanted to match the perfume bottle. So that's the makeup. Yeah, let's just go. I don't have that much to say yet. For the rest of the week we have loads of events, and it's very rainy in Bombay, like very rainy. So I don't know, maybe some of those events might get cancelled. I really don't know, but I will take you along. You guys, the event is postponed apparently. So I think now I'm gonna go to Tira and do some useless shopping and then go back home. guys, this makeup is so good. Like, I'm shocked. Even the hair looks so good. I'm actually shooting it as part of a collab, as in it's like for a collab. But I also shot the tutorial. I'm so excited to post it because of how stunning it looks. Like, I just love it. I wish I had some place to go because I feel like the makeup is going to waste, but it's okay. Such is the life of a content creator. By the way, I didn't even mention to you that the event that I was supposed to go to today also got postponed because of rains. It's raining really badly in Bombay right now. So all day I've essentially just been working away at my little laptop, and now I'm shooting because I had to send in this collab. I think for the rest of the day I'm gonna try to maybe edit it and send it away today itself. Sometimes it's easier to do it like right after because you remember exactly what you shot at what point and when what needs to go when you're editing, you know. So yeah, I might do that. I have to have a shower. I'm gonna have a warm, hot, refreshing, relaxing shower. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna do skincare today, guys. I've decided. Like, if you've seen my Substack, you'll know I've been like on a little bit of like a slump with my skincare. It's been like a month or something and I haven't done skincare at all. And I can get away with it, honestly, because I have dry skin. Anytime I put moisturizer, it looks like my skin is like amazing. So yeah, but I hardly have been using any skincare other than like face wash and sunscreen sometimes. So we're gonna remedy that. I'm gonna show you my skincare routine. I'm gonna show you the routine that I'm going to swear to stick by. Did that make sense? I think it made sense. And on top of that, my trainer has not been able to come for my training sessions, so I've been going to the gym myself. So a lot has just been like haywire this week, but maybe from tomorrow it should be back on track because the rain is lesser today, but let's see. So sorry if you hear ambulance in the background, but we're gonna do some skincare, starting with grape water from Kutti. I keep this so speedy. I want to get to like editing. I feel like I'm having too much fun these days with content. Anyway, this is the Road Glazing Milk. It's okay. It's not like wow, oh my god. It's so hyped, I feel. It's really good, but I feel you'll also find like a lot of similar ones in the Korean space that maybe even are slightly better. I did retinol yesterday, so today let's do this one. This is the Suwasu concentrated ginseng serum. I told you guys about how this one is like 15,000 rupees, but I got it at an event and I'm gonna use it because I'm bougie like that. So honestly, the next day when I wake up, my skin looks glorious when I use it, so maybe the price tag is worth it, but then I don't know, maybe there are other products which can do that. Honestly, that Sulvasu serum is a bit do it all. I don't really need to use much else after that, so I'm just going straight in with my Laneige Cica sleeping mask. This is just my favorite night cream slash moisturizer. I just use it like anytime, honestly, because I have dry skin. It works really well. I was thinking that I've been doing skincare now for a couple of years, and I really feel like my skin should be glowing. Like, even when I don't do skincare, it should be glowing. But that's not the case, you know. It's not glowing when I don't do skincare. It's glowing when I do skincare, which I'm like, so what are we doing here, really? Like, if it's just gonna be that when I apply it, is it really doing anything? That's the point in my skincare journey I've come to. I've been meaning to go to my dermat. I told you I have like some weird boils that I want to go and get removed and stuff, and I just haven't had time. It's been manic. But yeah, I'm gonna then add Individual Dual Lip Treatment as always. This is my favorite nighttime lip balm. Like, in the daytime, if I use any other lip balm, it's fine. Not ideal, but it's fine. But at night, if I don't use this lip balm, I'm not sleeping. Genuinely, I went to Chennai and so I lost it, and then I was in such deep depression. Literally, I had to order it that instant on Zepto, and thankfully they had it. So yeah, saved me, honestly. Okay, then I want to use a little bit of this hair serum because I have it, I bought it and I'm not using it. So today is the day we're using things in these shelves that have just been sitting here. So this is the Kerastase 8-Hour Magic Night Serum. I told you guys I'll use it and then get back to you. I've used it. I don't know if it's doing much other than making my hair really soft. But I'm going to try it on curly hair and see if it like performs any better. It does make it really soft, but I don't see it like make a massive difference. If you use like a good conditioner, mask and all that, I feel like you'll anyway get that. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it for the night routine. Tomorrow I booked myself in for a Pilates class very early, so I have to go and get my editing done so that I can go to sleep early. So yeah, I'll see you in the morning. So the other day when I went for the event and I found out it was cancelled, it was actually a miss from my end. So the event has been postponed to today, so I'm going to go today, even though I already have a really packed day. But those things are going to happen in the evening. I got done with my workout in the morning itself, so I had time, so I thought I would go to the Lancome one. Also because it's Lancome, I mean... need I explain anymore? Anyway, I'm wearing the exact same outfit. Makeup is also pretty much the same. It's just a rinse and repeat.